This video will show you how to restrict the permissions for your students both in the meeting and before the meeting. So if you would like to set this up ahead of time, you can ensure that students are not able to present if, when you're creating the meeting, you have added your channel. So in this case, I'm going to add my sandbox class. And have it for September. I'm going to have it repeat every weekday. And then I'm going to go ahead and send this out. It might take a while to load. Now, once it is loaded, then you can click on it. And on the three dots next to the time zone, when you click it, it says Meeting Options. If you select Meeting Options, it's going to bring up a window. In this window, this is where you might mess with the lobby, but the main thing I want you to pay attention to here is who can present. So it's set up so that everyone can present, and every meeting, I believe, is set up that way by default. However, if you want only you to be able to present, you can click Only Me. If you're having presentations that day and you want to choose specific people to be able to present, you can choose those people. In this case, I want only me to present, and I'm going to save. Then I can close that, and I can close this, and it's set up so that my permissions are that for the class. Now, if, for example, in my Section 1 class, if I got into the class, I hadn't set up the permissions beforehand, there's also a way to be able to navigate the permissions in the course while the course is happening. So you're going to want to show participants. And then you're in the dots next to participants, you're going to manage permissions. It will bring up the same window, and you'll do the exact same thing. Who can present? You're going to change it from everyone to only me, and then save. You can do that at any point in the meeting by just clicking participants and then clicking the three dots. Those three dots are also where you would download your attendance list.